Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bob Clubs coming to you live from Jackson, Missouri, where it has begun. We have a mixture of sleet and snow happening right now in Jackson. It has begun suddenly and has come on with some intensity. The wind is also blowing. The historic Christmas blizzard of 2012 is upon us. We will be reporting live throughout the system, even if it means that the family must suffer because of the cold wind that's whipping through the kitchen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a sacrifice that we're willing to make to bring you the blizzard of 2012. Live from Jackson, Missouri, I'm Bob Clubs reporting for Facebook Weather. Stay tuned.